Hey guys, welcome to my channel Glamwithg3 where I make videos on fashion, style and confidence. Today I'm sharing some tips on how to look tall and slim in Indian wear. So let's start with number 1. Avoid big prints and checks. They really look distracting and make you look huge and bulky. Go for a smaller prints instead. They highlight your silhouette, look more flattering. Number 2. Avoid horizontal stripes. It make you look wider, shorter, doesn't appeal your look. Go for vertical stripes instead. It creates an illusion of a taller body. Number 3. Avoid contrast colors in one outfit. It cuts you in half, definitely make you look shorter. Instead, go for a monochromatic colors. It creates elongated look illusion and looks class. Hope this helps and share it with your friends and follow for more such tips. Thank you.